We're here today with Tim Mason, Manager Projects of Panoramic Resources. Tim, thanks for your time.
Thanks, Dave.
Exciting times ahead as you move towards a potential restart of Savannah.
Absolutely, very exciting times for us. Currently doing an equity raising. It's a rights issue to raise some money to start some long lead time items for the project. Some work on the processing plant and ventilation intake for us. Some of the key things we're working on is the offtake agreements. There's a lot of interest for our product. It's a very clean product, and also remaining finance as well.
And in terms of the restart itself, what's driven the decision-making process to restart the project?
Well, there's a few things. There's an increase in the nickel price and the cobalt price, especially recently. But fundamentally, we found the Savannah North project. It's a higher grade than what we've historically been mining up there, and cobalt has been about double the grade which we've been mining as well. So it's all come together, higher grade. We've finished off the feasibility study, 8 years of mine life, a low restart capital, just $36 million. It makes sense in this current nickel market to restart.
What are some of the key attributes of Savannah North?
Well, Savannah North is quite an exciting project. The grades we've seen in Savannah are higher than what we've previously been seeing in the original Savannah project, and cobalt's been about double. It's an 8-year mine life under the feasibility study. There's some very good exploration upside. It's open to the northwest and also to the east. So we think there's some good potential. It's going to grow bigger than what we've currently been seeing. Short lead time into production, only about 6 to 9 months, and that's primarily because we've got the existing infrastructure on site. We've got a 1 million tonne per annum processing plant, we've got the mobile fleet, we've got a camp, we've got the paste plant, basically everything we need to be able to get going. Operating costs, C1 cash costs about $2.40 a pound US, so that puts us in about the top quartile or the bottom of the second quartile on a global basis, so very, very good cash costs. And restart capital of just $36 million is very, very attractive as well.
And in terms of if investors haven't been following the company, what should they have seen over the recent months?
They've seen the feasibility study come out, and then we've also announced the equity raising we're currently doing to de-risk the project and get the project started.
And in terms of looking forward, what should investors focus on?
The news flow coming forward will be offtake agreements, finalising our finance, and subject to board approval, a restart decision to get the project going again.
Exciting times ahead for Panoramic, a darling of the WA resources sector. Tim, thanks for your time.
Thanks very much, David.